Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we fitted an Autowatch Ghost 2 to a Mercedes Sprinter 2014. Customer came here a few years ago with his old van. We fitted an alarm and a tracker. They actually stole it twice because he didn't hear the alarm, but he was able to actually recover it twice, which is a good thing. Now he's brought a new van. We've put the same kit back in there, as in an alarm and a tracker, and now we've added a Ghost 2. So obviously if someone jumps in, tries to start it or clones the key, the vehicle will either start and cut out as you move away, or it won't even crank without putting the code in. So if we now try and start it now, you see it won't even start. So every time now he gets in the vehicle, ignition on, insert his code on these. We've used a stalk, so down 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4. The glow plug will flash twice. There you go. And now we can start the vehicle. Very, very simple, very straightforward. Okay, once he turns the ignition off, if he doesn't insert the code, he tries to start it. It may start or not start, or it'll start, and if he tries to move it, it will stall. So let's have a go now. So there you go, it doesn't even start. Okay, also, if someone was to see the code, this has the facility to change the code, and the way you do that is ignition on, insert your original code, so down 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, get your double flash. There you go. Now all the way down on the accelerator to code it, repeat the same code, 1, 2, 3, 4. Watch the glow plug. There you go, started to flash. We are now in learn mode. So if we now take our foot off the accelerator and select this time we go up. So let's go up. So every time we go up, you'll see that the glow plug light will flash to say seeing that stalk. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It will give us 3 flashes to see it. 1, 2, 3. If we repeat the same code again, it will give us 2 flashes, then stop. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Double flash shortly. There you go. That's now learnt the new code. So if we now turn off the ignition and turn the ignition back on and try the old code, so 1, 2, 3, 4, you'll see that it won't flash. There you go. So it may start and stall. There you go, won't even start. So ignition off, ignition back on. So let's try the new code. So now 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go, double flash, vehicle starts. Okay, also if the car's going for a car wash or a service, you can place it into valet mode on this particular vehicle, and the way you do that is really, really straightforward. Again, ignition on, insert your code, 1, 2, 3, 4. Glow plug flashes twice. There you go. And now we're going to hit the ASR button 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So watch the glow plug. 5 flashes follow. So this is now in valet mode, which means they can start it as many times as they want, as long as they don't go over 30 miles an hour for 15 minutes. They're all right. Okay, so if we now turn the ignition off, leave it for 3 seconds, we'll actually see. There you go, it starts. Okay, straightforward. So what we're going to do now, we've received the car back, the van back I should say, turn the ignition on, insert your code again, 1, 2, 3, 4, double flash. There you go. Start the vehicle. We are now back to ghost mode. So once we turn it off, the vehicle will crank, but if we move it will cut out or won't even crank. So if we just turn the ignition on, see, it won't even crank. Okay, hope you found this video helpful. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 0208 906 0478. 0208 906 0478. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.